Yeah.
Hey everybody, welcome to Happy Hour.
Yes, welcome to Happy
Sunday
Hour.
afternoon. We are ready to rock and roll.
I'm excited about today.
Today's a pretty fun, exciting first time, experimental cocktail. This is gonna be pretty fun. So
yes.
Hopefully you all are having a wonderful weekend, and hopefully you'll enjoy this.
A friend of ours gave us some moonshine over the holidays. So this is a blueberry one, but I don't know what the base liquor was that was used for this.
So it's corn mash and yeast.
It is a corn mash, okay.
And then somewhere along the lines, the blueberries were added to it.
Yeah.
And I had a little bit of this in the shot glass here.
To taste it. What did you think?
It's really smooth. It's really good, flavorful. I mean,
it's
awesome,
a very strong blueberry flavor to
I mean,
it.
this has gotta be a 100-something proof.
We have no idea what the proof
This is like the real deal, like homemade moonshine.
Can you think back, like when Prohibition was happening, like people making this and like sneaking it across up from their basements and over to people and
yeah, right.
I feel like we've gone back in time for just a moment.
It's pretty awesome. And the blueberries are, if you've ever had a liquor where it has fruit in the bottle, and you get to the fruit and they're just saturated, just soaked with alcohol, that's what those blueberries are like. So I just had a couple of those blueberries in this little shot glass, and I was like, whoa. Holy cow. So I think that this cocktail is going to be a lot of fun. But you know what? Let's, without further ado, let's jump into it.
We're going to do a blueberry lemonade. This is a spiked, obviously, blueberry lemonade.
Yep. So we have some fresh lemons we're going to be squeezing, which is going to be awesome. We have our homemade simple syrup.
I'm going to use this one.
And then we have the homemade moonshine here, which is gonna be delish.
I'm excited for this. I'm gonna quarter these, and then you can squeeze right into there.
Okay, so if you're measuring out the lemon juice, this is basically gonna be an ounce or so of lemon juice, and what we've found is it's pretty much gonna be one
juice from one lemon.
So.
Yeah. And if you have, you know how there's the juicers like this that are the yellow one, those are the larger ones for the lemons, but.
Yeah, I can't remember what happened to our lemon juicer.
It broke.
Did it break in the middle? It broke in the middle
I think so.
of us recording one of these.
It literally snapped at the handle, and then Ryan, one of our viewers, ooh, look at all that juice. So kindly nailed us one.
Yeah, awesome.
Ryan was so sweet. Thank you, Ryan. This is still the same one you sent us.
Yeah, right.
Because we were using the little.
Oh yeah,
Your mom calls it a reamer.
The reamer.
I don't know if that's the actual proper name. I'll show you while Brent is juicing.
Dana's gonna show you her reamer.
That's not what I said. This was the device, the tool.
Sure that's exactly what she just described.
Oh, it's not. This was the tool that I was using, and this works great. It's just more work, but this juicer works really good.
And it's not as much of a mess, you know.
That is true. Although I must say,
I just got lemon juice in that cut.
Your cut.
Look at, there's me. It's not that much of a mess. Aye. Got me.
All right, last
That's a
quarter.
Huge lemon.
I know, but I like it.
Oh yeah, that's about an ounce.
It's about an ounce. I feel like we've done enough of these that usually one lemon on ordinary size, which is this, it's about an ounce.
Okay, cool. Boom, done.
So most of the time,
Thank you.
You're welcome. I imagine that does not feel good.
Yeah, those little paper cuts and stuff, little lemon juice in there.
I want to show you. I want to show you.
Yeah,
guys
this is not El Jimador.
No, it is
this
not.
Is not. This is just
but
a
I want you
bottle
to
of moonshine.
see.
Look at the blueberries in there.
How much this is filled with blueberries. Like you can it's there.
It's about a quarter of the bottle.
It's really
If not maybe a quarter or a third of the bottle.
I would say
it's
a third.
Super flavorful. Right?
Okay.
It's so hard to describe, like,
should we do the
how much
simple
flavor
syrup first? You want to do the liquor first?
It's not going to matter. We're going to give it a shakerino, so it's not going to matter anyways.
All right, let's do 1.5 of these guys.
1.5?
Yeah.
You got it. All right. And look at this, the little blueberries come out. So I'm actually going to go a little bit more.
Yeah, I was going to say you're going to need to put a little bit more in there.
I like that the blueberries come out of it.
I almost kind of want to macerate them and mash them down like we're making
Why not?
Okay.
Oh, did you say 1.5? Because I absolutely did too. But with the blueberries, with the blueberry ratio, you know what I mean?
This is how you play.
Do you wanna mash or you wanna shake? Or you wanna do a little bit of both?
I want to do a little bit of both. Let's just do
Let's do 1 and 1.
Oh, all right. Okay. Okay, perfect.
1 and 1.
All right.
All right. And what are we thinking? Are we thinking a ½ ounce?
I think ½ ounce.
Of some homemade.
I don't think anything more than that. We're gonna taste it with a straw. Yeah, this is our Demerara simple syrup. This is usually what we use.
All right.
So let's give it some ice. Oops.
Toss it in.
Some ice.
Do it.
A little Arnold Schwarzenegger there. Ooh, those blueberries, that catches that ice. All right, perfect.
Ooh, wow, that was a lot more than I thought.
It's okay, I'm gonna get a bigger glass for you just in case.
All right. And guess what? For next week, we have another.
We have a second one.
We have a second one. It's different though. What's in that one? Cinnamon?
Cherries.
Cherries?
Yes. Which glass?
I think it was cinnamon. Or was that? Oh, somebody else got that one.
I think there was one, a cinnamon one, but I think you're right. I think somebody else got that. Which glass do you want?
Let's go with this one.
Okay. I just love this one. But no, but you're right. Size-wise, this is larger. You ready? Oh, that couldn't be more perfect.
Oh yeah, look at that color. Look at that. Yes. Got the little blueberries hanging out on top too. So they're not all like muddled up. This reminds me of the Christmas, like the holiday one that we did with the
cranberries.
Cranberries.
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't remember the ingredients on that.
Oh yeah, and then maybe you want to take that, put a little lemon on top.
Yeah. We used this for zesting, so I'm gonna just.
Yeah, chop off that piece.
I kind of want a whole wheel on there.
All right, do the whole wheel. Do it. Oh, no. We don't do lemon seeds. We don't do lemon seeds in my cocktails. It's disgusting.
If a bartender's watching and we end up at your bar, please be sure there's no seeds in there.
Lemon seeds
Look
in
how
my
pretty
cocktail.
that is. Let's move this out of the way.
Yes.
Oh, I like it.
Look at that.
That's
is it?
beautiful.
This is almost like, this is out of season right now.
Kind of.
It's January.
Yes, but you like the sunshine, so this will bring you a little sunshine. Oh, look how happy you are.
That's game over.
I'm excited to try this.
That is so good. That is so good.
Oh my gosh.
I think that it might use just a little bit more simple.
I can see that.
Just a little bit more there. I'm going to stir a little bit more in there.
So maybe like 3/4 of an ounce.
3/4 ounce. Perfect. I think that's going to be the trick.
Ooh, that is so good.
So we have 3/4 of an ounce of simple.
3/4 of an ounce of simple.
2 ounces.
That was really 2, yeah.
2 ounces of the blueberry moonshine and an ounce or one
lemon juice.
Lemon's worth of juice.
Ooh,
yes, give it to me, baby.
Grant, that is so good. It's so good, my cheeks are puckering. It's so good.
Isn't that yummy? My cheeks are puckering.
Now we need a dinner party to serve this at. That's delicious.
That escalated very quickly. We just wanted to make cocktails on a Sunday to chill out. Nope, dinner party.
You know.
Everybody invited.
You know you love it.
It's true, I love to eat.
And host.
And host. All right, so let's try yours.
That's delicious. Okay. All right.
So what are we doing? Are we stirring this time? Do you want to just stir in there?
What? Oh, in here?
Yeah.
How are we gonna macerate the blueberries?
Oh, that's true. Okay.
Yeah, we gotta macerate the blueberries.
Okay.
Do you want to go outside and grab another lemon?
Yeah, I'll grab another
Okay. I'll work on macerating the blueberries.
On the which lemon tree?
Ooh, Meyer.
On the Meyer.
The Meyer. There's Meyer lemons out there. Oh, this is heavy. I'm gonna hold this. Ooh, ooh, that pours fast.
We're gonna get somebody who's gonna ask, how do you guys grow a Meyer lemon tree in the Northwest in the middle of winter?
It's quite a pile of lemons over here.
Costco. Greenhouse.
Okay, you cut that up. Oh, I macerate. Oh, I like the feeling of the popping of the blueberries in here. It kind of reminds me at Thanksgiving if you make homemade cranberry sauce, which I do love. Your brother makes a mean cranberry sauce. It's so good. And I know tart things aren't necessarily your jam, but that cranberry sauce is so good.
Cranberries are not my jam. So good. My bro, he kills it.
Yeah, he does a great job. Are you gonna get rid of that for us? Thank you. Okay, these blueberries are looking really good. Ooh, I wonder how this would be in like a blueberry muffin. Can you imagine spiked blueberry muffin? Ooh, your mom would have so much fun with that. Boozy blueberry muffins on a Sunday morning. Oh, doesn't that sound great?
Blueberry muffin or like a blueberry pudding cake type thing?
Oh, that sounds good too. Okay, these are nice and macerated in here.
All right.
So we're gonna leave. I kind of want to lick that, but that's probably not appropriate. I kind of want to lick that, but it's probably not appropriate. Okay, let's do our lemon.
That's our other channel.
No, it is not.
What?
No, trim the ends.
Fine, it's good.
Okay, all right.
All right, fine.
It just gives it a little bit more room in there.
All right, fair enough.
Booties is down there giving us his 2 cents.
Yep.
I don't think this is his forte though. He's ready for some TREATs to come out of the blender.
He's ready for it.
Yeah, that's what we're doing after this.
Yeah.
Did you just look at you. That's so fancy. So he put tiny little cuts, not tiny. Is that gonna work?
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, my turn.
I'll make it fit.
Oh, that smells amazing. Okay, so for those of you that might not have seen the first one that we made it with a regular lemon. This second one, this is kind of busting at the seams.
Whoa, did you see this? These Meyer lemons
peel like an orange.
Like an orange?
Oh no, this is really full. I don't know that this is as effective.
This is going to be really effective. Look at that.
And so I can juice it some more because I feel like, oh, look at that. That was perfect. Oh, great.
Wow.
Good job.
Wow, these like peel really well. I've never used the Meyer lemons before.
I have for a hot toddy, and my goodness, do they make the best hot toddy. I think okay, that was a little too much.
What are you doing?
That was a little too much. I put the first one back in. I got excited. Okay. Okay, you want to taste this?
Taste what?
The Meyer lemon. Good thing you didn't. That's a little tart. Too tart for you.
It's a lemon.
It's still a sweeter lemon.
Okay. Got it. More simple.
All right. So because we're using a Meyer lemon for this one, I am gonna do 1/2 ounce of the simple instead of 3/4 because the Meyer lemons are sweeter.
Okay. Yeah, let's see how sweet they are.
I mean, it still has some tartness to it, don't get me wrong, but it is not like that.
Oh, whoa. That, oh. Whoa. That needs that extra.
No.
Listen, that's going in there, and it's either gonna pour on your hand or pour in the glass.
Okay, good.
Holy cow. That is like somebody saying, well, it's a pepper. It's just a little hot.
Oh my, okay, booties.
Yes, hi Boots.
2 cents down there.
And then you have a habanero pepper and you're like, oh yeah, flavorful. Whoa, that's spicy.
No.
You needed to be involved.
Booties, you want to say hello to everybody?
Say hi.
What's funny is if we get the camera out and he knows he's being filmed, he turns into, does anybody remember the WB Frog? How he would like do all the song and dance, and then as soon as he was on camera, he'd be sitting there going, ribbit, and not do anything. That's this guy. All right, I'm gonna use the glass that I like. This one right here. Oh, the beautiful. Oh, look how purple that is. With the pieces of blueberry.
Oh yeah.
Ooh. Okay.
A little muddled up, even like a blueberry
I like
mojito.
Ooh. Maybe that's what we try with this next. Next week's though is gonna be fun.
Next week's gonna be fun with the cherry.
Yeah.
We have some fun stuff planned for that one already. But I don't think we're gonna make anything until we're here with you guys.
No, we're not making this in advance.
You can see how bad I screwed up.
Okay, here's my little.
All right, come on. I want to try this thing.
I want to
Let's
taste
go.
it. Oh, that is delicious.
See if there's really a difference between muddling and shaking.
Well, so here's the thing though. We used the Meyer lemon, not just the regular lemon.
Mm.
There is a difference in flavor. There is a big difference in flavor. This regular lemon, there's a bit more tartness to it. This one, it's definitely more mild. I almost know.
He just loves when I pat his little bum bum.
You're just such a good boy. I kind of think I like the regular lemon. I think I like that little hint of tartness.
So I'll tell you what, this is like darker and more bold.
Yes.
And this is more fresh.
It's brighter. I guess it depends on what you're doing for the evening. Cheers, babe.
Right?
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers, everybody.
As I slurp. So we want to know, do any of you have homemade moonshine at home that you are experimenting with and making fruit homemade moonshine? And if so, what have you done with it?
Yeah.
That would be.
Yeah, if so, send us some.
You could. We'll experiment with it right here with you. Right. Not any pre-planning.
Yeah. Must include ingredients. I swear, if somebody sends me some habanero moonshine.
Okay, no habanero moonshine.
I will show up to your home. In not a good way.
Not a good way. Oh boy. Anyway, thank you guys so much for tuning in.
Thank you guys. Boot says thank you so much.
Yes, Booties way. Bye. We'll see you next Sunday, 3:30 Pacific Standard Time. Cheers, everybody.
Bye. Cheers.